Good afternoon mga palangga. So, ngayon ako nag-start mag-vlog kasi kaninang umaga talaga wala ako sa mood mag-vlog kasi medyo na-stress ako ng konti kasi I am doing my practical investigation. So, yung practical investigation na unit, meron siyang tatlong topic. First topic is all about stress, as in talaga, all about stress, how to deal with stress, what stress can do to your body, what can trigger stress, mga ganun-ganung mga tanong. So, second topic is research methods, basta, and then, sa third naman is data analysis. Hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa third topic, but yun yung topic natin, data analysis. But nag-skim ako sa topic, yung data analysis may pagka, siya yung pinaka-hard sa kanilang tatlo kasi, basta, I find it hard by reading to it. So ngayon, meron akong pork dito. So ito yung hapunan natin. Pork. Yan. Meron kasi tayong mga green beans dito. So, why not? So, yung oras nga pala dito is almost 1:30 in the afternoon. So, medyo may time pa tayo para ma-marinate itong ating pork. So, hihiwain ko lang sila into little pieces. Si John, busy siya sa workshop. Nagpipaint siya. You need to show them what is it.
This is just a little piece of plastic. No longer available.
And that's for
The choke lever covers the choke lever bracket. The choke comes
give
out.
them a closer look. Up.
The choke comes out of this hole here. So anyway, we've got one, so I'm going to put it on.
Okay, and are you nearly finished?
Oh yeah, I'm just watching it out.
Okay. So yung pork natin, i-marinate ko siya gamit ang fish sauce. So, as I said, tansya-tansya na lang. Nilalagyan ko siya ng garlic powder and onion powder. Maglalagay din tayo ng black pepper, mga palangga. Then haluin. So, yan na. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa fridge. And, kukunin natin siya later on pag tea time na. Magsampay tayo mga palangga. Magsampay tayo ng cellophane. I-recycle ko ba? Pwede naman siya i-recycle. Basta lang hugasan ng mabuti. Ito kasi galing to kanina sa pork. And dahil paubos na yung frozen bag natin, so gamitin natin ulit. Yan. I think gusto ng treat ng mga bata. Bibigyan natin sila ng treat. Meron tayong tag-iisa lang. Meron tayong grapes dito. Tag-iisa lang. Yan. Para naman maano nila ba? Ma-enjoy nila yung grapes natin. Pag namunga yung grapes natin, tag-iisang bunch kayo. Char! Tag-isang bunch. Sit. Sit. No. Go. Oh, no, no. Oh no, did you get it, Pippa?
I don't know. Well, you shouldn't do that. I saw
Oh.
Pippa watched you. She's not had one, has she?
I think, I don't know, give. Failed siya mga palangga kasi I don't know kung sino nakuha dito. Either si Pippa or si Phoebe. We need to give. Ha, try again. I don't know, honeybee. I don't know which one got it.
The trouble is, you see, when you put the last one down, Pippa looked at that one. And I knew she was going to go for it.
Right.
Look.
Punta tayo sa ating greenhouse. Kailangan nating ilagay sa pot yung mga tumutubong honeydew. Nandito sila, oh. So, maraming tumutubo na honeydew. Pero sabi ni Mr. kailangan siyang ilagay sa pot kasi hindi sila tumutubo mga palangga. So, we need to pick which one is best. So, ito mga palangga, nakakuha na ako ng pot sa ating shed. Okay na to. Kukuha muna ako ng lupa. Yan. Hala, uy, yung cauliflower natin ay nag-curl up sila ulit. Diligan natin. Mainit kasi. I hope mag-survive sila. Yan. Kawawa yung ano natin, cauliflower. Kawawa sila tingnan mga palangga, no? Matamlay sila tingnan ba? Kawawa, uy. Excited pa naman ako sa cauliflower natin para makapag-harvest tayo. So, dyan muna kayo. Meron tayong audience. Nakikita niyo ba? Sa camera, it looks so it looks so dark. Yan, oh. Meron tayong audience. Si Pippa and si Phoebe. So, anyway. Mag-ano na tayo. Mag-transplant na tayo. So, bubunutin natin itong mga palangga. Yan. Nakikita niyo ba? Lahat ng seed sa honeydew kasi nilagay ko. Kaya ayun, sobrang dami. Yan, oh. Akala ko walang tutubo. Pero meron. Meron. So, nilagyan ko siya ng lupa. Yan na.
With me, don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand.
So, balik ko muna yung iba. Hindi ko sila bubunutin kasi baka yung tinanim natin sa pots, hindi sila mag-survive kasi ngayon pa naman sobrang init. 5 lang yung transplant natin. 5 plants. So, yun lang muna mga palangga. Maglilinis lang din muna ako sa ating greenhouse while I am here. Are you helping Mama Pippa? Palagi lang siyang nakaabang sa akin. So, ito sila mga palangga. Ayan. We need to water them. 5 lang kasi alam niyo naman yung size sa greenhouse natin hindi naman kalakihan And hindi kasi ako sure kung pwede ba sila sa labas. So, let's see na lang pag medyo lumaki-laki na sila.
We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see up.
Pasok muna tayo sa loob mga palangga kasi sobrang init. And, nauuhaw ako. Kailangan ko ding maghugas ng kamay kasi sobrang dumi ng kamay. Maganda sana ba pag meron tayong paddling pool at ganito yung weather. Sus, naku. Okay na yan. Okay na tampisaw ba?
1 hour later.
So, pupunta lang kami saglit sa Alde. Kasi tomorrow it will be a good weather and we're planning to have a barbecue. So, I told Jan it's better that we're going today. But then, we will just see if they have a long queue, then we're not going. We're just gonna come home and that's it.
No barbecue.
No barbecue. Ako lang yung pupunta sa Alde. The temperature is 16 degrees.
20s tomorrow.
20 tomorrow. Nandito na kami sa bahay mga palangga. Nag-grocery kami kanina. Ang tingnan nyo yung arms ko. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Ang sakit. Gumamit lang kasi ako ng basket. Kasi kanina, nang pagdating namin sa Alde, 4 people lang yung nag-queue. So, dinrap off ako ni Jan bago siya nag-park. And then, tamang-tama lang talaga kasi paglabas ko sa supermarket, sa Alde, ang dami nang nag-queue. So, ngayon, si Jan yung mga pinapahugas ko sa grocery namin. Kasi, 4:22 na dito ng hapon.
Got soggy biscuits now.
No, you need to wash it properly.
Done, finished.
I wanted to be here by my side. My dropping through.
So, ito na yung pork na minarinade natin kanina. Ang bango na amoy. And yung mga green beans, nahiwa ko na. Meron tayong onion dito. And nagpapainit na din ako ng kawali. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng mantika. Kasi meron naman to mga fats ng ating pork. Meron din tayong rice dito. So, kanina mga palangga, nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting onion. So, ngayon naman, ilalagay na natin yung ating green beans. Yan. Yung onion natin. And then, lalagay tayo ng kaunting tubig at kaunting toyo din. Ito na po. Yan. Yan, haluin lang natin. So, dapat itong adobong sitaw natin with baboy, dapat may sabaw kasi si Mr. ayaw niya yung dry. So, while naghihintay pa tayo sa ating ulam na maluto mga palangga, magmamarinate tayo sa ating pork belly para tomorrow ba. So, nahugasan ko na sila. So, yung marinade. So, lalagyan ko siya ng garlic powder. Kaunting garlic onion powder. Tansya-tansya na lang. Lalagyan ko siya ng tomato ketchup. Trip ko lang. Lalagyan ko siya ng toyo. And lalagyan ko siya ng lemon juice. And then ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng Sprite mga palangga. Ita-try ko. Hindi pala Sprite, 7-Up. Pareho lang naman siguro. Hindi ko ubusin lahat. Half lang siguro. Yan siya, oh. Bumubula. Yan. Hahaluin lang natin, ha? I hope masarap to mga palangga. Yan na, tamang-tama lang yung nilagay nating 7-Up. Yan. So, dyan, nanonood ng news. Kasi, ngayong Sunday kasi, yung si Mr. Prime Minister, they will outline what they gonna do.
It's a secret.
So, ito yung mga gagamitin namin for tomorrow. Yan, meron tayong lettuce din.
Not much left in there.
So, kailangan natin tikman yung ating adobong sitaw with baboy. Or vice versa. Ewan ko sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong tuwagin dito. Kasi feeling ko, yung baboy na nilagay natin, marami. At marami din tayong nilagay na sitaw. So, parang 50-50 ata. So, tikman ko muna, ha. See if kailangan pa ba siyang i-adjust. Maalat na siya. Pero may kulang. May something mga palangga. Nalagyan ko siya ng kaunting pepper. At halo-haloin natin. I don't know if you can see me. Well, what I mean is, you can see me, but hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo ba yung niluluto natin. Tikman natin ulit. Masarap na. Okay na ako dyan. Ready na yung ating hapunan mga palangga. Bango ng rice. Gutom kasi kaya ayun, pati rice na aamoy na. Kasi yung oras dito is 5 o'clock na. Oh. Yan. So ito na yung finished product ng ating adobong sitaw with baboy or adobong baboy with sitaw. Kayo na ang bahala. So, ito. Yan. Sobrang sarap, diba? Wow. Honey, tea is ready.
So hungry.
So, kain muna kami mga palangga, ha? So, ito na yung plate ni Mr. Ito yung akin. Yan. Ready. Kain. Kain muna kami mga palangga. Sobrang gutom ko na talaga. Nanginginig na ako. I hope you like it.
We'll find out in a minute.
A few minutes later.
Last piece of our pie.
Stuff this time. Did you grease this dish down?
No, I haven't greased it.
Why?
Do you normally grease?
Of course you do. This is why we're having problems. So why you have a broken apple pie?
Okay, next
You
time.
must grease it every time you bake anything. You must grease the base. Stop
Okay.
this happening. Just get butter and just rub around with some butter.
Okay, next time. Next time.
This is special Swedish.
Glaze.
Where's the opener?
There. That's it.
Hang on, I need to use your spoon, darling.
Kain po kayo. Yan. Tingnan niyo yung mga bata.
This way, come on.
Come on, girls! This way! Pipa! Tingnan niyo. She's so hyper. Full of energy. She keeps bouncing.
Phoebe, come on.
Phoebe!
Bit of rivalry going on there. 2 seagulls, 3 seagulls.
Oh yeah, they're having like a dance.
Right.
Is it a mating season?
Yeah, of course it is.
Yeah, tingnan niyo. Ay, lumipad na yung mga ibon. May seagulls kasi dyan, oh, yung puti na sa ground. And merong 2 seagulls na lilipad-lipad. Look, honey, it's growing now.
I need to get in here, which trim it before it gets too long.
Yeah. Yung mga pinold out namin ba yan, oh, naiwan. Lumalaki na naman. Mostly on the other side. Plenty of them again.
I'll get a trimmer out and get a lot of this cut off.
Our shadows again.
Oh yeah. Social love.
Social love.
Social distancing love. Let's go and have a look in the patch.
What patch?
The strawberry patch.
Oh yeah, okay.
Come on.
We're just gonna check our strawberry. Hey? I'm just gonna put the camera. Hang on, give me a moment. Right.
Just try and, I want you to lift it up. Just lift it. Just grab the bar and there you go, it needs a spanner on it.
I'm very strong. Excited ako para sa harvest natin. Ito, oh, ang dami. Look. This one.
Oh, look at that.
Loads of flowers.
Oh, loads on all of them. If you look.
Plenty.
Considering we've only just moved them, they're doing alright, aren't they?
Yeah.
Any seed appearing?
Mm, I think it's a bit early.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, this is a parsnips. Oh yes, it's growing mga palangga. I don't know if can you see that? Yan.
Like midgets.
They're very small. Yan, oh, meron.
And what's this one? Carrot?
Carrots, this others.
They're growing, look.
The middle. Oh yeah. Meron din dito
They're
mga
growing,
palangga.
they're growing as well.
Meron din ditong carrots. Nakikita ko. It's too early to say for the green beans.
Oh, yeah.
Are you sure now? Don't touch it.
Huh?
Yeah. Don't touch the
She's
apple.
excited.
I am excited.
How about
The plums, I don't know about our plums. I'm not holding my breath with the plums because many times this plum let me down.
It does, doesn't it? Every time. Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
There's a couple here. Some there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a few actually.
Ito, plum to, pero wala mang, wala mang flower. Ito, apple. Meron din tong blossom. Yan, oh.